building information modeling has emerged as a revolutionary tool in the architecture and construction industry. It goes beyond traditional 2D drawings, offering a comprehensive 3D digital representation of a building and its associated information. Building information modeling acts as a collaborative platform, bringing together architects, engineers, contractors, and stakeholders to streamline the construction process and improve project outcomes. Building information modeling is more than just software or a modeling technique. It is a holistic approach that transforms the entire life cycle of a building. By integrating geometry, spatial relationships, quantities, and properties of building components, building information modeling enables stakeholders to visualize and analyze various aspects of the project. The purpose of building information modeling is to enhance communication, collaboration, and coordination among all parties involved. Architects and engineers can explore design options, simulate different scenarios, and identify clashes or conflicts in the virtual environment before construction begins. This allows for informed decision-making, reducing the risk of errors and costly rework. Furthermore, building information modeling facilitates better project management by providing accurate cost estimation, material scheduling, and clash detection. Contractors can visualize the construction sequence, optimize construction methodologies, and identify potential issues ahead of time. This leads to improved efficiency, cost savings, and timely project completion. Beyond the construction phase, building information modeling continues to be an asset throughout the building's operational life. It acts as a centralized repository of information, including systems data, maintenance schedules, and energy performance. Facility managers can utilize building information modeling to streamline operations, plan renovations or upgrades, and optimize building performance. Building information modeling has revolutionized the construction industry, offering numerous benefits throughout the entire building life cycle. It enhances collaboration, optimizes designs, and improves project efficiency. By enabling informed decision-making and accurate cost estimation, building information modeling reduces errors, rework, and delays. Building information modeling's impact extends beyond construction, as it becomes an asset for facility managers to maintain and operate buildings more efficiently. With its ability to store and manage vast amounts of information, building information modeling empowers stakeholders to make data-driven decisions and ensure optimal building performance. As the industry continues to embrace technological advancements, building information modeling stands at the forefront of innovation. It has the potential to shape the future of architecture and construction, enabling the creation of smarter, more sustainable built environments. With its collaborative nature and comprehensive data-rich model, building information modeling continues to redefine how buildings are designed, constructed, and managed in the modern era.